If you are a programmer or thinking of becoming a programmer, you may have some questions about whether the capabilities of large language models such as ChatGPT are going to make your chosen profession obsolete. I think not. And here's why. Before we dive into the question of whether AI will replace programmers, let's take a moment to appreciate the genius of human programming. Consider, for example, the fast inverse square root algorithm, a piece of code that was famously used in the game Quake 3. This unconventional algorithm, which calculates the inverse of a square root at a blinding speed, is a testament to human creativity and problem-solving prowess. It's a prime example of how programmers can think outside the box to come up with efficient and innovative solutions. Now keep this in mind as we delve into the capabilities of language learning models, or LLMs, and why this kind of ingenious creativity is currently beyond their reach. LLMs are adept at processing and understanding vast amounts of existing knowledge. They can generate code and algorithms based on well-documented principles and techniques. However, they work within the scope of the data they were trained on, meaning they are not currently capable of creating entirely new concepts or techniques that haven't been conceptualized before their training cutoff. Human programmers often rely on intuition, experience, and a deep understanding of the specific problem domain to devise such innovative solutions. The fast inverse square root algorithm used in Quake 3 is a product of deep understanding, creativity, and a willingness to experiment. An LLM would not have been able to come up with this solution. An LLM does not possess the same level of creative thinking or the ability to conceptualize entirely new approaches from scratch. The algorithm in question is notable for its clever use of a hack or an unconventional approach to achieve its goals. While LLMs can suggest optimizations based on known techniques, the kind of lateral thinking and risk-taking involved in creating such hacks is a distinctly human trait. Human developers can understand and work within the unique constraints of a specific problem, such as hardware limitations or specific performance requirements. They can make trade-offs and decisions based on a nuanced understanding of these constraints. LLMs might not fully grasp the subtleties of such context-specific constraints unless explicitly provided with that information. The field of programming and algorithm development is continually evolving. Humans learn from new developments, adapt their methods, and sometimes even contribute to these changes. LLMs, on the other hand, require retraining to assimilate new information and techniques that emerge after their training data cutoff. In summary, while LLMs are powerful tools that can aid in programming and algorithm development, the kind of groundbreaking innovation seen in the fast inverse square root algorithm typically requires human ingenuity, creativity, and a deep, intuitive understanding of the problem space. LLMs augment and assist programmers but are not poised to replace the unique, creative, and innovative capabilities of humans in the foreseeable future.